Making money with landscape photography involves selling your images, offering prints, and leveraging online platforms. Here's how you can turn your passion into income. Sell prints and digital downloads. Sell high-quality prints on websites like Etsy, Fine Art America, or your own website. Offer digital downloads for personal or commercial use on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. License your photos. List your images on stock photography websites where businesses and creators purchase them. Use platforms like Getty Images, 500px, or Deposit Photos for passive income. Work with brands and tourism boards. Collaborate with travel companies, outdoor brands, or tourism agencies for paid assignments. Offer your services for hotel, resort, or travel promotions. Teach photography online. Create a YouTube channel, blog, or online course to share photography tips. Sell ebooks or presets to help others improve their landscape photography. Enter photography contests. Participate in landscape photography competitions for cash prizes and exposure.